how to enter the data. Now we all are aware. In order to enter the data, there are two methods, active cell and formula bar. First, I will be able to do using active cell. So coming back to the sheet, what do you mean by active cell? The cell that is selected will be called as active cell. So first of all, we require to select the active cell, and after selecting the active cell, the only thing is that we require to type it from the keyboard. So I'm typing roll number, then I will be able to type name over here, then I will be able to type marks over here, then I will be able to type grade over here. So in this manner, we are able to type using active cell. The next thing is using formula bar. Now how to enter using formula bar? Step number one, click the cell where you would like to enter the data. So first, I'm selecting this particular cell where I require the data to be inserted. Coming again to the presentation, place the cursor in the formula bar. Now, where is the formula bar? Over here, you are able to see this fx. This is called as the formula bar. I'm just clicking over there, and again, I'm typing roll number. Pressing a tab button so that it moves to the next cell. Again, coming to the formula bar, I'm typing name. Again, press tab. Coming to the formula bar, type marks. Again, coming to the tab button and coming to the formula bar. Coming to the formula bar and typing grade. So in this manner, we will be able to insert the text either using active cell or using formula bar.